enjoy some Zumba. Stacey, you local Zumba instructor with classes too, and around with her. I think this is going to get you moving. I can see that movement shape for the Alison. I'm pleased to see you there. So, let me go there. Zumba Redfield.